Hey, future millionaire. What's up? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Been a hot minute since we hung out, right? But guess what? Today's the day your bank account starts sweating because we're diving into 15 wild, actually doable ways to make your first $1,000,000. No fluff, no pyramid schemes, just straight up strategies real people use to hit seven figures. Let's get it. First off, let's crush that "but I'm broke" mindset. Did you know 2,700 people become millionaires every single day? Crazy, right? It's not about luck. It's about knowing the game. So grab a snack, take notes, and let's unlock that bag. Number one, become a ghost CEO. Yes, seriously. Dude, you don't need to build the next big thing. Just find it. Apps like Flippa let you buy boring but profitable online businesses. Think niche blogs, e-commerce stores. Tweak them, grow them, sell them for 3 times. One guy bought a pet TikTok merch store for $10K, rebranded it, and flipped it for $300K in 6 months. Number 2, the LazyInvestor Millionaire. Want to make money while binge-watching Netflix? Indexfunds, my guy. If you stash $1,000 a month into the S&P 500 average, 10% returns, you'll hit $1 million in 20 years. Boring? Maybe, but it's like planting a money tree that grows while you sleep. Number 3, rob a bank legally. Kidding. But ever heard of arbitrage? Buy undervalued stuff, cars, concert tickets, retro gaming consoles, and flip them where demand's high. This 19-year-old bought PS5s during the shortage, sold them overseas, and cleared $200,000 in 4 months. Number 4, sell Erno. Really, digital products are gold. A mom in Iowa sells printable wedding planners on Etsy. Zero overhead. Makes $40,000 per month. Bro. Number 5, Hijack Trends. Like a ninja. Remember when fidget spinners blew up? Some college kid ordered 10K units from Alibaba, sold them on Facebook for 500% markup. Boom! $250K profit in 8 weeks. Moral: ride waves, don't create them. Number 6, teach your hobby you're good at something. Guitar, coding, knitting sweaters for cats. Udemy courses pay insane royalties. One dude teaches Excel basics, makes $30,000 per month. Excel. Number 7, rent out your everything got a driveway. List it on Neighbor for $200 a month. Spare room? Airbnb. Camera Fat llama. One guy rents his backyard chicken coop for photo shoots. $200 a month. Sometimes $500 pop. Number 8, master the 1-hour side hustle. ChatGPT plus Canva equals money printer. Offer AI-powered resumes, dating app bios, or LinkedIn templates. Charge $50 a pop. Scale with Fiverr. Number 9, bet on yourself, literally. Apps like Patreon let fans fund your dreams. A comedian raised $12,000 per month to quit his job and write jokes. Now he's touring. Number 10, explode a market gap. Micro niches, baby. Vegan dog treats. Glow-in-the-dark plants. A teen sold customized Minecraft swords for $99 each. Made $99 each. Made $1.2 million in a year. Number 11, the invisible empire. Automate everything. Dropshipping, print on demand, AI chatbots. A 22-year-old runs a candle biz, outsources production, shipping, and customer service. Nets $80,000 per month. Number 12, license your genius. Invented a cool app feature. A TikTok dance? License it. The renegade dance creator got 0 credit, but you? Charge royalties. Number 13, gamify your skills. Twitch, YouTube, TikTok Live. A girl streams herself painting murals. Fans donate to vote on colors. $10,000 per week. Number 14, the mini monopoly. Dominate a tiny market. Sell rare parts. Think vintage car bolts, discontinued Lego pieces. One guy cornered the antique typewriter ribbon market. Makes $15,000 per month. Number 15, bet on crypto smartly, not meme coins. Staking liquidity pools. NFTs with utility. A buddy staked Ethereum during the crash. Now earns $8,000 per month in passive interest. Bonus hack number 16. The $1 million DM. Slide into CEO's DMs. Seriously. A freelancer cold messaged a startup CEO. I'll 10x your sales for 10% of profits. They agreed. He made $1.2 million in a year. Look, I'm not gonna lie. This ain't a get-rich-tomorrow list. But if even one of these ideas sparks your hustle, you're closer than you think. So what's your move? Drop a comment, First million if you're all in. Let's build that empire together. And hey, if this video lit a fire under you, smash that subscribe button. Why? Because every Sunday, we drop nuclear-level video like this. Miss one, and your future self might never forgive you. Stay hungry, future millionaire. That bank account's gonna look real pretty soon. Peace.